Hi, Kevin from Snowy's Outdoors here, and this is the Deluxe Camp Kitchen with sink from OZtrail.
Get it.
Now this kitchen is easy to set up. It has a sink underneath the tabletop, it has lots of storage space, and is ideal for a standing camp. Now this camp kitchen comes in a carry bag of 600 denier with a polyester fabric. It is 124 centimeters long, it is 50 centimeters wide, and it'll be about 20 centimeters thick across that way. I'll just move that out of the way. The kitchen itself is also 50 centimeters wide. It is 80 centimeters tall and is also 124 centimeters long. Now if you go to the top of the light pole here, it is 2.1 meters and the whole thing sits about 10 centimeters off the ground. Now the top of this table is an aluminium slatted tabletop which actually folds up. It's got a weight rating of 30 kilos. It's easy to remove. You can see I can easily peel that back up. You've got a couple of clips here and a couple of clips on the other side as well that go straight onto the frame. This side is the same. You can fold them up and it easily can be removed when you're going to fold the table up. Over on the left here, you've got a tent light pole. So that one has 3 sections. You can actually remove each section if you want to. You've got plastic clips to hold it in place. And you've got a little stainless steel bracket up there which you can hang your lantern on. Now if we go back down here to the sink is removable. You can actually take that out if you want to. You can put it on the bench top and do your washing up on there, or you can leave it in there. I'd be a bit worried if you splashed around a lot of it, stuff might go down into your cupboard there, but you just have to be careful. And of course it's got this little same frame that the sink sits in and keeps it into place. Now just looking down this side here, the frame of this cupboard is 19mm powder coated steel. You've got some steel hinge brackets here and you've got some plastic hinges inside there. Moving around the front, you've got 2 cupboards. The whole cupboard is 600 denier fabric, it's a polyester fabric, and you've got 2 sections with fly mesh. Now you can leave this fly mesh to be undone like that, or you can actually have a look at that side and see that we've got it rolled up, held in with some Velcro straps. Now there are 4 shelves in this cupboard. There's 2 across the middle and there's 2 down the bottom as well, 1 on either side. Now these shelves have a weight rating of 8 kilos. They're MDF shelf and they've got a little aluminium strip all the way around the edge that protects the edges. These shelves can be removed. I can actually tip them up and take them out. So if you want to clean, and I can easily put them back in again. Now just under here, we've got a little cutlery drawer. You can see that comes out quite easily. Nice solid little drawer. Put your whatnots, knives, forks, spoons, things like that in there. And that goes into a sleeve which is suspended under the top there. So that goes in there out of the way. Now just going up this other end, there's not a lot more to see. Pretty much the same as the other side. Got your metal brackets there, the plastic hinges, steel frame, and you've got little plastic feet down there. These are the webbing that helps hold the cupboard all together with Velcro. You can pull it tight, it attaches there quite neatly. If you want to see how that works, just check out our other video where we assemble and dismantle this cupboard. Now I'm just going to put a few things in here and have a look how stable it is. We've got some cups to go in here, a couple of cups and some plates. Now I forgot to mention the dimensions of the shelf. These shelves are 35 centimeters deep, they're 55 centimeters wide, and from the bottom to the center shelf is about 28 centimeters. And from the bottom to the underneath of the drawer, it's 15 centimeters. Now I'm just going to put the top back on and we'll have a look at how stable the whole thing goes. Now, the top fits on very easily. Put that back over the top there. As you can see, they clip straight onto the steel frame. And of course this table goes on exactly the same way. Just clip that back on to the frame. Just put that back on there. Now I'm just going to give you a bit of a stability test. Going to give it a good wobble. Going to put some plates up on here. Can of drink. A couple of things. I'm going to put these down underneath the cupboard and there. I'm going to give it a good shake. As you can see, things do actually move around a little bit, but it's pretty hard to overcome that. Because it's a fold-up kitchen bench, you find that this is the same with most tables and benches. You'll never get the same as your rigid table at home. But in saying that, it's got a nice big bench top. It is still quite strong. Nothing really fell out of the cupboard. You've got lots of storage space and it's completely portable. Folds up and dismantles very easily. So that's all I've got for you today on the Deluxe Camp Kitchen with sink from OZtrail. If you want to find out anything else about this or any other products, go to our website, snowys.com.au, where we have the lowest prices every day. If you want to subscribe, just click over here. If you want to watch any more videos, click over here. If you want to ask a question, leave a comment down below.